I challenge all the team members in my teams to find the overlap between company mission and life mission. And if they don't find an overlap, then we'll just ask them, in the introspection process, they're going to find out more about their life's mission. And I will go help them find a role in the world that helps to advance their life's mission. It helps a lot because at the point that, something that the company does also fulfills a person's life's mission, then the need to go and tell everybody what to do, on any given day basically disappears. And a lot of organization that used to be centralized becomes organic and dynamic. I like the life's mission and company mission overlap though, because it's at the nucleus of why a lot of the other parts work.